You know, when this came in, it drove past me the other day. How often do you ever see a cab over ambulance? Not a amber lamps, the ambulance. Some of you might get that reference. You're welcome. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
We do not want to end up in one of these. I mean, it's cool and everything, but we don't need to be in one. Yeah, right? Okay, so I'm not alone with this situation here. First cab over ambulance that I've seen. And David, first one he's seen. And it's a 10-speed. Oh man, can you imagine shifting gears in this thing during an emergency? I'm gonna open this. I usually don't approve of opening doors, especially if they're closed, but in this case, we want to see the shifter in this deal. I mean, you're gonna have to really know how to drive if you're on the way to an emergency, and you gotta shift through these gears, downshift and everything else. Somebody's life depends on it.